name is Hamilton. I am a learning designer, the CEO from FunLogic, an online educational company that create and sell online courses, approached our learning design team with an urgent request. The CEO is very interested in improving their courses and looking into other course offerings that might be appealing to their customers. Therefore, they would like to implement analytics to help them with making smart decisions. I have been assigned to work with FunLogic and to look at the situation more carefully. First, a survey will be created and provided to the learners to gather feedback. Google Forms seem to be applicable to our needs. It is free and it is cloud-based, so that the learners can access it online. It can also be embedded in the Moodle platform, so this makes it convenient for the learners to access it right from the course. In addition, Google allows you to export the completed survey as a CSV file. Now that the survey has been completed by the learners, it's necessary to export the data as a CSV file. The data requires some massaging before performing an analysis. The headers are displaying as questions and statements. Therefore, the headers need to be transformed and it will be used as variables. The data cleaning can be completed right here in Microsoft Excel since the data is small. The data has been cleaned and it is ready for use. The question, how would you rate your overall satisfaction with the cybersecurity course? It is now rate course, and this process will continue with all the other variables. Since we will be performing a descriptive analysis, the modeling process will be excluded from this procedure. The goal of this analysis is to describe the data and to learn from it. To help with this process, we are going to use Rattle, which is a graphical user interface for R. Before running the analysis, the variable suggestion will be excluded from the analysis because it would not be helpful at this time. As we can see, Rattle does a great job with guessing the data types of the variables. The analysis has been completed. To get a better, clearer picture of the analysis, the data will be imported into Tableau. The overall results are satisfactory. This is good news. A word cloud was also created for the variables requested courses and suggestions to find the most frequent terms. For example, the most requested course according to the word cloud is data analytics. Regarding the suggestions, the most frequent term were more and courses. We have discovered that FunLogic has reached its goals in terms of providing a learning environment that meets the needs of the learner. The content is appealing to the learners. The learners also feel that the information that they are learning can be applied to the workplace. They also would recommend the course. However, FunLogic must create more courses. A good place to start is with data analytics and web development.